Hello and welcome into today's video. My name is Philip and I'm a full stack developer with 5 years experience. I've taught many people on how to code through my YouTube channel, which is LearnTechPhilo, and my website, which is learntechphilo.com. Now into today's video, I want to train you on how you can use ChatGPT to create a full website from scratch. Trust me, ChatGPT has been a game changer in the web development journey for every programmer. Now, you need to know what is ChatGPT, how it works, how to set up ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT is a chatbot developed by OpenAI that uses a language processing model to generate text-based user input. Okay, it has a wide range of applications from generating content and translating text into producing code. Okay. Now, before you get started, you need to know how you need to create a ChatGPT account, and then you can start from
Let's
there.
get started. Now, you first of all you need to create your ChatGPT account. Before I show you now how you can use ChatGPT to create your website. Then now at this point you can just type open. Alright, okay, and then you can just write and at this point you can just ChatGPT GPT. Okay, you just need to click on here, and then at this point you'll see the your website. At this point you can just click on try chat gpt. Okay, now at this point if you have an account then you can just log in. If you do not have an account then you can just sign up here using your email. Okay, let's see, proceed. At this point you just need to now to use your email that you insert your email. Here we've said email notification to this one to click on the links to get started. Okay, you just need to go to your, now you refresh here at this point. Okay, so that this is now verify your email. At this point you just need to click on verify email, and okay, at this point now you can just choose your name. You can just write your name at this point, your names to name, first and last name, and then at this point you just need to choose now your number that you're using, or your phone number. You can just use your phone number, then you just need to send code. Okay, at this point the code will be set to your number, just be sent to your phone number. Okay, on my side this is a code. Okay, and after that you wait for a while. Let's see, it opens. Great. Now as it opens, you'll realize that these are layers now of ChatGPT. And at this point now you can input your text here or your question that you have. Now at this point, ChatGPT can help you now to make suggestion of the website that you can develop. Now you can just write here. Now it will give information about different types of website at this point. So just wait, it is generate various websites. Now at this point you'll realize that many websites have been brought up here. You can see that e-commerce website, personal website, corporate websites, educational websites. There are so many websites, portfolio websites, community websites, and government websites. Okay. Now also the ChatGPT can help you now to just now this the languages that you can use for front end. Okay. Languages we use for front end development. Okay. Front end. Okay, just wait for our main it generates those languages. You'll realize that it says that there are so many other languages frameworks that you can use for front-end development, and you'll realize that you can use HTML, you can just use CSS, JavaScript, TypeScript, React, 4JS, AngularJS, and many other languages and frameworks. And at this point, you realize that ChatGPT has helped you now to see the languages that you can use for front end. Now, also, you can just write the same question for backend development, languages that you can use for backend, and it will realize that it makes more suggestion. Like you can use Python, you can use PHP, you can use Java, and then other languages and frameworks that are available that you can use to develop your website. Now the other thing, now the website, now the ChatGPT can help you now to generate uh, best tagline and title, or maybe you can just mm, okay, best tagline. Okay, you see now uh, to generate some information here, shop the world at your fingertips. And there are so many other questions that you can ask ChatGPT as you're using it. And now the next one, ChatGPT can help you now to realize other technologies that you can use uh, to secure your website from hacks or penetration. Uh, Now that one comes later as you'll be developing the website now. You can implement security measures on your website to avoid penetration and also hack by people. Okay. Now the other thing, uh, ChatGPT can help you now to develop various pages, like the home page, contact page, home page, services page, and many more other pages as you move on. Now you can just write here. Maybe you can just about us page, about us page. Uh, that's why it is generate some information here. Okay, you'll realize that it has generated some information here. Now this information now it's about us information. You'll see welcome and e-commerce website. Now the website name, the ultimate or online, and so many other information here. You see that now this is the information. You can just copy that to your about us page, and then you can see that apart from generating the text, now you can generate the code, HTML code, CSS code, and also JavaScript code, as you'll be coding all through your now your website. Let's say, for instance, you type, you'll realize it generates some information here. The code now, you see, okay. Now just wait for a few minutes to generate a code. Great. Now this is now a simple HTML code on page, and you'll realize that this is a HTML code. So you can just copy it. You can just copy it, and then you go to your text editor. On my side, I'm using page fish, and then you can just go to your. Now you click on that, and you'll see now this is the way it appears now. This is the way it appears. Now you go back to your now ChatGPT, and you can just generate, you can just use code, CSS code, and you'll realize that it generates some CSS code. Just wait for a few minutes as it generates. Great. Now you'll realize that CSS code has been generated here, and this is now the full CSS code. You can just come here and then click on copy, and then you go back to your text editor, and then at the top here you can just insert now the words. Now you can just paste it there, and then you go back uh, to your now. Then you refresh. You see now the website now looks nice. You see the website now looks nice, and you can see that you have added some styling and all that. So the remaining part is just images. You can just insert images, download the images, and you can see that it is working. Now you can just do the same for JavaScript. Maybe you are to developing something, you need to increase the functionality of the same thing, or maybe you're just developing the backend part of this, and You can just use ChatGPT to see the various languages that you can use for backend for the same to develop contact page. You can develop other pages like services page, the containers. You can add more other sections, the about us page, and many other pages as you wish. Okay. The other thing, you can use ChatGPT to integrate various APIs. So maybe you can see, so the ChatGPT can help you to suggest various APIs you can integrate in your e-commerce website. So various website. Okay. Now let's just wait. It is generate uh, some information there. Okay, you'll realize that there are various information that has been generated here now, the various APIs to integrate in your e-commerce website. And you see that there are so many APIs, application programming interfaces that you can integrate in your e-commerce website. For instance, you can have payment gateways APIs, shipping APIs, tax calculation APIs, social media APIs, and also you can see production information APIs, emailing, marketing APIs, and many more. You can just type, let's say for instance, how to integrate payment gateway API. Okay, just click on that. Just wait for. But now you'll realize that integrating a payment gateway API, it gives you some steps that you need to follow before you integrate. You choose a payment gateway provider. You have obtained API credentials. You have integrated the API, text and debug or live. Okay, so there's also many other ways. ChatGPT has just been made things easier for web developers and especially for beginners who find it hard to learn. Also, you can just use ChatGPT to learn languages, not only HTML. You can learn JavaScript, you can learn Python, you can learn any other languages. ChatGPT. Just need to write in your input part here what you need to do using or what you want now. And though sometimes it may not give you the correct information, it may not give you the exact information, but it can help you actually to grow your skills, to build up very um, great websites and also project. Thank you for watching. I hope it has helped you. Remember to subscribe, like, and share our videos. Thank you.